Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an ka kinhun COMSO kabla pelong hamat pran na yo idik spangut ki pat garu gila shimbenta ka jing yo lat ban file nomination ubar jula ka GHADC klawan ra ka jing thut ki pat driulum garu ha ka bau MLA barim upul bari ulet thep kerteng re usha jenrat no ha ki briu bamte unong yalam ka COMSO ba Roy Kupar Sunrem ulakan there ka sarkar jala bari konrat ki sangma bah West Garo Hills ha ka shanyon ha ki bor jala namar ka yokla jengki bar jala ban yakun election MDC ha Garo Hills klawan ra ka jengyap briu President ka Nyutrap Youth Council HYC uba Roy Kupar Sunrem ulat herteng yu menteri rang ba ka jala u konrat ki sangma halor ka benta bulaong ba ka sarkar jala ka kham perkhat ka Roy ka par re ka laklet pat ka jinglong try jengki pat ba ka jala Kamtam hakabaya day bakabor bakakardan jugi district council habakran Shakilat pathai khubor uba sunram ulaong ba kajingya jongka sarkar jala hapo kajingyalam ukonrat kisangma kapan ishai bakajing perkhat kadai tang halor karoi kapar henry om pachim kya ya kahok bakajinglong try muluk jongki pat ba riulum kajila lapan pauru kajing smokya ka bajul halor kajing ja ka dang shen ka bala island ya ki briu ki ba omde ki riulum na ni ki bar jilla ban shimda ban bat shedi ha ka election ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kadum kajing thu jong u kani ka sinjam ka penkhen ya ka nongrim jong ki district council ki bala seng na ka benta ban yada ya ka khindo ka syam ka riti dostur ba kajing nong try jong ki jat ben riulum uba sunram ula kenno bahagi prasnem ukonat kisang maulabat ya kesyuki menteri rangba bon gisin kejingya jengka sorkar kala khample jingmun shaki benta jengka Garo Hills kad bagi benta jengka khasi ba Janti Hills pan kila sha no ben hagi babun ki benta jengka Roy kapan bar kejingyo jengka shan na ka sorkar jela shushu president ka HYC ula theru ya ka National People's Party NPP da ka baong ba kejingya lam jengane ka party hapo ka jela kalawan ra ka jing sniu ba ka jing penjot ya ka jinglong try mulong Ulo ong baki rai ki blashim na ka sarkar jala ki lakta juri ka hok jengki try jala bar klawan ra ru ikajing sngokhya hapreng ki seng bhalang bar ki pat ba ha ka ju ka por ba sunram ula kentui ka sarkar jala ba ka ban buram mi ka nongrim jeng ka 6 schedule bat ban penne pensa ya ka bor ba ka kerdan jengki Autonomous District Council ki beri ki benta ki ba kongsan banyada ya ka khindo ka syam ka riti dostur ba ka hok jengki jat bin riulum ka jala Meghalaya
because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang M. Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chipinang at night. Don't forget that the shop, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your Nyotra brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills. Will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money, and now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make our stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our Nyotra brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotra people. Ngakwa ban pinkan mawe kini. Balada menta kini kibriu kila persyang ban kini. Ya ka kendo ka siap, ya ka hok long try, ya ka hok halor ka sensyar ka kadar, jong ki Garo po Garo Hills, kan poiru ka por, bakini ki joy ki brio, kin kini ya ka hok long try, halor ka kendo ka siap, halor ka sanhima, sima, jongi unyo trep, ladang nimlong ki bausiar. Pari, kani ka jingalang menta ka sikam day, tang bangin ay ya kataka kajing kersian yaki perlok ki jong ya po Garo Hills ka deiru kajing penken mau kajing penkendet yangi kum ki try muluk bangin long ki bausiar atong ikwa bakai ka baca Garo Hills ka ju ka pot kan jayangi ang ya po rilum kasi bajentia ngihap ban perkat ban rai kata ngimkwa ban yoi bawairu udo usna mu jongi unsha bena la jongi yengi sam unsha kni ya ka jaka ka puta unsha punia unsha kni ya ka jonga cingem gai ka bamat kini ka perlok ki jongi po Garo Hills kala banja hangnya rilum kasih bajen tia ka jongi ru ladang ngimlong ki bausiar pari kare kata ka cingmut jonga ni ka cingelang kadai kumbang Pak Thomas bateng-teng ko bajai priong ya ban pelong ya kum kini kijengalang ban penkendit ban kersiu tia ban penken mau bang ngimdei ban song tia thai ngimdei ban skouhun tang balayo ya karoi kapar kalau biang ni gelat no pat ya kalong tai kalau kakundo ka siap ka jongi bari kata ka ni kajingmut jongan ni kajengalang banangnya syakma pepa ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongi Pei pa ya karut ka kiar ka jongpi halaki jongki snong ki tau halaki jongki it ki hima halaki jongki yin ki siam pei pa ya ka sor shilong ka bodon ka sor ka bangi ni ngolong trai lada wan nang no ru na keleng jong ka brief nyok trem hatung ni long trai halaka jong kari ka jongi hadong idang kwa ban penne ya ka ni jing long trai ka jongi hatung i kwa Ba hadin sanpos nam, hadin sispas nam, laringi pelong kum kini kijalang, baro kini kidukan ki nong we nong ar kilong try, kidei ban kang kum ni kum kadei ban kang mentak si. Karai, kari ka jonga ka jong fi. Karai, kari jong kani ka pateng ka pementa. Lara kani ka pateng ka pementa, kam sim ya karai ka patenge ban yada ya ka jong ka khando ka siap. Kan mau baki kun ki kti ki jongi kinom don khando kinom don siap ban yada lan ban yale ban penne pensa. Kata kani ka jing sisa ka ban ya ban perkat. Hatungi aimu ya kata khno ka siap ala jong ki kun ki kti lan ka pateng ka ban sawan kenang ma makiru kila ban yeng ban yada ban penne pensa. Lada kali kapateng ka pamanta nyemyeng maniada nyemyeng ban penek bensa kapateng ka banong ka banangwan kanom don kendo kanom don syap bahkan penek bensa pari hot nisong sarong bang iyo yaw tau chief minister ubelanang lastat iyo yaw chief minister ubela puli na kiri kibapau jang kapateng iyo yaw chief minister ubakren siapang kata karoi kapar ubakren yakinyo hajar fra hajar sipo hajar krur ki development manusnem ki bapoi sakan ka jela ka jongi ubakren siapang kata ka economy ka banpoi sakapaka syataka $10 billion economy pari ka jingkeli kalong hatungin hun laningin ya pen ya kata karoi kapar bat ka hok long try ka jongi halor kani ka khno wasyap hatungin ya pen ya ka jing long try ka jongi halor ka khno ka syap halor kani ka snap ka bakerbang ka ba unong tau ula ayo nyau trap unyo skum langin ya pen tang namar kata ka 10,000 ka khasan hajar ka 40,000 krur ka development lani ki roi ki par ki bakini ki nongilam ki jongi ki wandra Mr. Konrak Sangma abo ulet chadi maasaw when he went to the maasaw he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the sixth schedule. He is or he still is for the last 8 years as the chief minister of our state. His party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Konrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the sixth schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon hakashuki mentala prasnam ulek jadi masau banong ba lapen belat lapen telot yaki kendon jong ka sixth schedule. Ule ayu pat dapo GHDC mentah sanpos nam kalaya kata kajing penbelan mentah prasnam uladon hakashuki atau ula persyang mo ban penbet ya kijing bakla kibaki noilam kiberem kilale pimla ban syukeno ya kibalalet nawakim don syu akabor pi don akabor mentah pile ayukan ban penbah ya kata kajing bakla kabaki noilam kiberem kilale kata kajing keli kabangi kwa ban bu yau kontrak sangma ya ka sorkar ka jongi ya ki noilam ki jongi lada lek chakwe ke jela chakwe jaka ban yo nong politics biong balablat la tulat ki kendon jo ka seksidu wan pat hayeng la jong haji HDC kasinong try ka jongu la kala long hanta uklet pan baji GDC mentala sanpo teligis nam kiyat posnio hajing bakla naman kila ailat iki mender bakin yo banlong kinong takbut badru ban yo banlong kita ki MDC balai umyoi akin iki pratligis nam ki blalet onda menta haba kini ki perlo garu kiyeng ban yada ban penek pensa ban yakun ban pentikna baka GHDC kadai nam tau garu kimi kini keke nimla aban len baka ni kecing bakla kecing ailat hakini kisan po teligis nam kinyo po teligis nam baya kiwei pa lailat banya simenta kini election jong ka GHDC reka por kadang biang banwanra ya kecing kela Dialog katakan orang bagi perlok na pugarul skiyen hakum kan kapur banong bakaladei kapur ban pendek ya kan jing bakla kamangila ya lenti menta degi nyopo tu ligi senam kadei yang iru kum kajak nreu nyotrem bangin ai kajing kersian yegi perlok na pugarul sebakin pendek ya kan jing bakla nama ladang imla ban pendek kan mau ladang imla ban pendek mado ban tep Gombong mana di Pak Thomas, wat hang ni hangiru, kalak banja, kalak banlong. Bat kini kipriu, kalak ban pendan kam, dah kibor, kibakam hajrong, ban penbor yang ini, ban ailat ye kiru, bakin ye sembenta, hakini ki institution, dan kita kibor, kibai kerpang yang ini, kum kijat pendiriulu. Bari ngakot ngawer, yapi. Na kaniga jaka, ha kaniga janmit ka mamenta. Bangin ya yeng ban teli kawai kum kajai benriu nyautrap. Ban yeng ban ya teli kawai kum kitrai trai muluk. Ban penti kena. Bangi ni de kitrai jong kaniga jela Meghalaya jong kini gilum kasih jantia bat garu. Ban penti kena bau nongwe nongar dan hok ban syong hakit dorbar trairi gijongi dan hok ban syong ban rong ban long nong tawan hakit desi council gijongi tongin ya syem ya karai akan ingat jambi ka pementa balada dankam ban yami min yami ringin betik na bakini ki dorbar trairi gijongi kini banne akakti gijongi. My brothers and sisters, dear Chik brothers and sisters, why here today? We make this promise before you that COMSO, all the organizations that are there, as well as each and every person of the Nyotrep land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garo Hills during this time, and we ensure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the Nyotrep people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters, and thank you very much for being here, the leaders of Nangringaman Achik Dol.